Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the clip quality and bringing it into After Effects. Make sure the green is consistent and the footage is interpreted correctly. This prevents color shifts later. Once imported, create a composition using the clip and set the comp frame rate and resolution to match your source. You should also create an adjustment layer above the clip now, so you can add global corrections later. This gets you straight into keying without wasted steps. Now you remove the green with keylight and refine the matte. You want a clean silhouette. Start by sampling the green with the screen color eyedropper, then tweak screen gain and balance to reduce spill. Once the initial key is good, open screen matte and adjust clip black and clip white to tighten the foreground and eliminate holes. If edges are harsh, apply matte choker or simple choker and soften slightly. Also use a garbage matte to exclude unwanted areas before final cleanup. Finish by integrating the keyed subject with the background so the shot looks natural. First, remove residual spill using keylight to spill or a dedicated spill suppressor, and match color/contrast with curves or hue/saturation. Then add subtle shadows or motion blur to ground the subject. Once satisfied, pre-render a test or export using a lossless codec. If you need transparency, export RGB plus alpha. If you see edge fringing or jitter, check matte.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.